Today I am going to show you how to draw like an ultra pro god. Firstly, you need a drawing program. There are many good options, but the only good program to ever be created is Windows MS Paint. First, you have to know how to draw a straight line. I will show you how to draw one now. As you see, this is the most straight line ever drawn by a human. After you know how to draw the perfect line, you have to draw a painting. I will show you how a true Godmaster Pro versus hacker draws. I love smurfs, so I will draw an epic cool gamer Obama drawing of smurf. As you see, this is the greatest drawing ever drawn by any kind of life form. This is the magnum opus of humanity. After you draw a perfect drawing like this, you are basically supreme. If you manage to draw such perfect drawing, you are literally above all the humans to ever live. And now you have to fucking smash that fucking like button text. And smash that subscribe button. Or we will sacrifice you next. Thanks for watching. Go kill yourself. Bye. BTW, your mom is a diamond hoe.